Hello viewers, let's continue our SQL series, and now we have to solve the second question on select, which is find customer referee. Okay, so so this is the question. LeetCode 584, find customer referee. Okay, so there is given a customer table with column name, ID, name and referee ID, and the data type has been given. Here, int, varchar and int. Okay, so in SQL, id is a primary key column of this table. So the primary key is the key where the value is not repeating. Okay, so each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name and the ID of a customer who referred them. Okay, so you just have to find the name whose referee ID should not be equals to 2. You just have to return the names of the customer whose referee ID is not equals to 2. You can print it in any order. Okay, so let's understand with an example. Here there is given a customer table, and there is column name, ID, name and referee ID. Okay, and you just have to print the name whose referee ID is not equals to 2. Not equals to 2 means that other than 2 means null is accepted and 1 is accepted. So you will print Will, Jane, Bill and Jack. Okay, because their ID is not equals to 2. Their ID is either null or 1. Okay, so you just have to print only the name whose referee ID is not equals to 2. So I hope you understand the basic understanding of this code, that what do you have to do now. So uh, let's suppose referee ID should not be equals to 2. Okay, should not be equals to 2 means referee ID is null. If it is null, then it is accepted. If it is 1, then it is accepted. If it is 3, then it is accepted. And if it is 2, then it is not accepted. Okay, so you just have to print only the name whose referee ID is not equals to null. So there is phone name Will, Jake, Bill and Jack. Okay, whose referee ID is not equals to 2. So you just have to print only the name. Okay, so let's do this. First you have to select the name. Okay, select name, and then you have to write the from which you want to get the data, which is table name. Table name is customer where you just have to write the condition that referee ID is equal is null, or referee ID is not equals to 2. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.